Hey guys, welcome back. Yep, sorry, had to do a take two. The first one didn't come out of plan because a horn got stuck here and it was quite loud. So, anyways, I am at my favorite place, Superior Auto Sales, sascars.com. But, disclaimer, I am not an employee here. They just allow me to do their videos because I know the owner and I'm very grateful for that. So, if you do like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. There's a compressor on cue like always. There is going to be a lot of noise. Leave a comment, subscribe, and if you do leave a comment, hey, I always answer back, and I do appreciate everybody who has subscribed to my channel and who views it. So, if you like supercars, this is my first time recording one of these, and as you can tell, it is snowing like crazy outside. Not a big fan of the snow anymore. Don't like it. I don't like cold weather. But anyways, the GT40. This car is really, really cool. This is my first time recording one of these for this body style. But yeah, you're going to hear noises in the background. It's a place of business. This is where they have this car sitting right now. A lot of carbon fiber. I mean, it looks more like a cockpit now. I mean, like the way the windshield is shaped and the, when you go toward the back window, it reminds me of like that Enzo Ferrari. But if I remember correctly, story told, Ford and Ferrari were rivals anyways. But this car is absolutely gorgeous. The way it's just designed, it is just made to hold itself on the ground. It is the 2018. But yeah, I mean, I just love how the air comes through there like that. This car is just made to be planted. I mean, there's so much carbon fiber. It is insane. A lot of, these supercars and hypercars, they're going to that now. I love how the exhaust is too. But this right here, this actually, I don't have the keys for it, so I cannot start it up and move the wing, things like that. I wish I could. But unfortunately, don't have them with me. Car like this, they're not going to leave the keys laying around. But this wing does actually go up. You can find videos online where that is actually fully deployed. It's kind of like the Bugatti Veyron, which is really, really cool. But these tail lights are gigantic, and it's cool because the air passes right through them. You can see that in there. And your camera, what this is for, I have no idea. I mean, obviously it's wrapped up for a reason, for heat, but what that plugged into, I have no idea. Probably for the cameras, things like that. But it is really, really sharp. But yeah, these taillights are big. I mean, you can fit your hand right in there. That's how big that is. But yeah, all this carbon fiber, if you can see it. I mean, a lot of it on here. And then the brakes on it. Dual caliper. Yeah, they want to make sure this car stops. And what size tire do we have on here? 325 30 20s. Wow. That is insane if you can see that. And they're Michelins. Don't know if these are the ones from the factory. I don't know. But just the way it is constructed. Now these front brakes are huge. Massively huge. You can tell those are carbon. I mean, the brake caliper is gigantic, and they're Bembros. I mean, everything is carbon fiber on this car. The headlights, they haven't lost that. From when they first came out, kind of with this body style, about 15 years ago, maybe a little more, somewhere in there. But they didn't lose that. It still has that F40 look, which is really, really cool. But the headlights, man. Drive down the street in this, you are going to get noticed. But yeah, let's do a good look on the inside here. And it's so funny because you don't have to push a button to open that. Oop. Butterfly doors. I mean, you can see all the carbon fiber in this car. I mean, this whole door. The door still, the whole cockpit is basically carbon fiber, I'm sure. I mean, yeah, the whole tub is carbon fiber. Aluminum hinges keep everything nice and lightweight. But yeah, I mean, you got your regular simple controls, lock, unlock, windows, mirrors, good things like that. It has your power, open right here to open it. But for some magical reason, this door does not want to open because you ran out of battery power somehow. There is a manual one right here. You just pull on this and you'll be able to get out. But the inside of this car is really cool. It is really, really nice. The seats are covered. I mean, it just came in. They're just trying to keep the Sparko seats. Wow. These are really sharp. Let's see if I can move this seat a little forward. If it'll let me. Hold on, let me. Nope. But you can put racing harnesses back here. They do have this. Very small window. I gotta pull that lever, so sorry about this. I have to. Oof. Trying to do all this one-handed is not the easiest, but getting in it, not the easiest either. Oh, yeah. This reminded me getting into, wow, that McLaren P1. But man, I love how they tell you this. The plastic that's on here, do not touch this display or touch panel during installation to be removed by the customer. Okay. Simple controls. They have kept this car pretty simple. Your push button to start it. You got some power supplies down here for your phone or whatever else you might want to plug in. But here you go. You can raise and lower the front end. Your suspension, hazards. Here's how you put it in the park, drive, everything else. The steering wheel is very, very small. Not too bad. You got your lights up here. So when you're shifting gears, which is really cool, you do have your paddle shifter, but it's kind of cool that it goes right through it, which is nice. But yeah, a lot of your controls are up here through your steering wheel. The rear view mirror, not the biggest, but you can't really see much out of it. But at this point, there's the world's smallest sun visors. So you can see this is all you really get. But in a car like this, you're pretty far back, you're down, and yeah, you don't really have to worry about the sun blinding you. But this car is really, really nice. And it's comfortable. Getting out of it is going to be a lot of fun. I already know that already. Not going to be the easiest. But yeah. But car cover, I mean, they got the seats covered up, things like that, license plate covers or whatever. What this box is, this is actually the box that they give you, which is all carbon fiber. Gives you like your wheel package, your colors, like a little blow mold of the color, everything else like that. I'm not going to take that out of the box because I don't know what this car is on consignment. So if it is, I'm not going to be rude and just start opening things up. I mean, I can only go so far with these cars. The seats are really, really comfortable. And they are. Here's your parking brake. Everything is just electronic in this car. But yeah, now getting out of this, yeah, it's not going to be the easiest. I already sat down in this car once and you basically kind of fall out of it like you've had a long night of drinking. But you got to get out of it. Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to go around and open the other door. Love those doors. But yeah, I mean, you can see how much of a gap there is on the door for how thick it is. I mean, this car is it's like a jet fighter. But man, they have these all covered up so nothing gets scraped up. So they do take really, really good care of these cars when they get transported, things like that. Here's that little tab. If you couldn't see it before, pull on this. That will manually unlock your door. For some reason, this car loses power. So you never have to be worried about being locked in, which is nice. Same thing, carbon fiber on the doors. I mean, the dashboard is actually like a tri-level. You can see that, which is kind of cool. I mean, the way they designed this car, your airbags, everything, no glove box. Look for one of those. You don't really get anything like that. But I am gonna give you a view of it with the doors open, because it is so cool. But the one thing, this little like trunk area, you're gonna love this. Get in here and open it up. I just had it before. Now it's gonna make an idiot out of me. Oh, nope, nope. Come on. Okay, I had it earlier. What the heck did I do? I did open it. No, I can't find it. I know someone's out there screaming at me saying, it's right there. You missed it. I had it. What the heck did I do? No, there's... Found it. I had to reach down a little farther. And there's the screen that lights up because it knows I did something. Yep, there they go with the horn again. You ready for all the room in here? Ready? Ready? Whew. Nothing in there. No trunk space, frunk, nothing. Pack light, because you're not going to get much. This is all carbon fiber. I mean, it literally weighs nothing. I think a pop can weighs more than that. But yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you liked this car as much as I did, because I love recording these cars for you guys. And I hope you do. So please consider subscribing. Give it a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one.